Today we are checking out the brand new AirPods 2 that just came out. Now they're not technically calling these the AirPods 2, they are calling them AirPods wireless charging case. Granted, these are the second edition of the AirPods since they first were announced a few years ago, and it's interesting because I don't think I ever expected to like these as much as I have liked them. So there's now 3 versions of AirPods that you can buy. This is the AirPods with the wireless charging case, and these are $199. You can get just regular AirPods without a charging case for $159. Or if you just want to use your old AirPods and just buy a wireless charging case, you can get that for $79. So really there's 3 different options for you. But today we're going to be checking out the new AirPods with the wireless charging case. Let's open it up. It's so nice to have a drawer over here now. I can just kind of get my things. I went with a green light today that is an ode to the green LED charging light that they have on the front of the AirPods now. They actually moved that light from the inside here to the front of the case, which you'll see here soon. This is really exciting. The one thing I will note is the AirPods do kind of get really disgusting after a while. Traveling and just ear goodness. And if you're gonna tell me that your AirPods are perfectly clean, like whatever, you're a mutant, because I don't believe it. First thing we have is, we've got our little booklet here. AirPods. Some paperwork. I wonder if there's a picture of AirPower in here anywhere. Too soon? No, it's actually too late. So here they are. You can see the light that they moved to the front. My first open. The little light is searching for my phone. Okay, where the heck is my phone? Much like the previous version, all we gotta do is open this up and it should auto start setting up. There we are. Let's connect. Done. These are so clean. It feels like they have a more gentle pull out of the case. I don't know how else to phrase that. Anytime I tell Siri to play me music, she always plays Third Eye Blind. Even in my HomePod video, every single time I'd be like, girl, play me some music, and she freaking plays Third Eye Blind. I mean, Third Eye Blind is one of my favorite bands, so I'm absolutely into it. You guys are wondering how to change the name of your AirPods name, in case you've never done that before. You just have to go into your Bluetooth setting, click the I, click the name, and you can change it there. Some of the things that are different in these new AirPods is you'll get a much faster connection. So if you're switching between your phone to your laptop and your laptop to your phone, it should switch up to 2 times faster. Also, if you're transferring a phone call from your phone to your AirPods, it'll also transfer 50% quicker. Something else that was interesting is if you guys do play a lot of mobile games, you'll have 30% less latency in the audio between your game and the audio from the game to your AirPods. So 30% is actually a significant amount if you think about it. You'll have 50% more talk time and you'll have hey, SIRI. You can ask her to play a song, raise the volume, get directions. Basically anything that you normally would be asking Siri to do. And of course, the biggest difference is the wireless charging case. So that's something that we need to test out. I've got my little Mophie charger here. So we're gonna plug this in. If you're standing up or something, you might need to sit down because this is extremely riveting content right now. Hold on. I like half expected like my entire world to just be flipped upside down. Like it just start raining down confetti, money starts flowing from the air, a unicorn runs into my office, but my AirPods are charging wirelessly. Do you want to see it again? Can you see it? Can you even see the freaking light? Let me turn this down. Look at that. So that's the first look at the new AirPods. I would love to know from you guys, do you have AirPods? Have you used AirPods? Do you want AirPods? Does the wireless charging case now make you want these AirPods even more? I'm not sure. These feel actually, do they feel heavier? I keep trying to find things that are different, and I think that I sort of have these phantom thoughts in my mind. It's like when my Apple Watch isn't on, I have phantom taps on my wrist, and I look and there's no Apple Watch there. So I think that might be what's happening right now. There is nothing better than a nice new fresh AirPods case. So this is my old case. It looks like it's definitely been through some things. This is the new case. The back looks very similar. They moved the little Bluetooth button though up a little bit, so it's a little bit higher. Let's flip these open. So here's the new ones, here's the old ones. I wanna try charging my old AirPods in the new case. That's also super exciting. So now I think that the only thing left, I don't even wanna say it, because you guys know what I'm gonna say. Where is Air Power? Because I'm so ready for it at this point. One thing I do wanna test is I would like to test and see if I can hear a difference. This is a super scientific test right now. Okay, these definitely do connect faster. The new one's connected. This is like a fun race. Justine's AirPods. Justine's new AirPods. I'm also working on a wrap-up video from the Apple event yesterday. I didn't get a chance to film that last night because I got home so late. I would love to know what you guys thought of the Apple event. They announced the Apple Card, the Apple TV Plus, Apple TV channels, Apple Arcade, Apple News Plus, all kinds of things. Leave those in the comments below, and when I make my wrap-up video, I will be sure to feature a few of you guys. Well, thank you for watching. I just want to show you guys the AirPods really quick. I will do a follow-up video probably in a week. AirPods 2, a week later video.